Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making this yummy looking soup. Yes, so inside this pot we have stockfish, beef and dry fish. So at this point we'll be adding the first ingredients, which is crayfish and fresh pepper. I blended the two together, then salt will follow suit, and the next one is ogiri obe. Actually, this is my first time of trying out this ogiri. I normally use black obe, that's local bean. So let's check out and see how it's going to come out. So seasoning will follow suit, and then we add water and start cooking. But come on, take a look at the quantity of water I'm using. You see the quantity. Cover, and I will start steaming. I'll come back after like 10 minutes to check on it to see if the stockfish and meat is if they are soft enough. I will stir and check, and as I can see, it is good to go. Then I will now introduce the next ingredients, which is palm oil. And after the palm oil, I'll allow it to boil a bit, then come back and add Ogbono. This is the Ogbono. I've already blended it. I blended it with crayfish. Please, at this point, do not cover the pot again, okay? I will stir, then add the next ingredients, which is oha leaf. Yes, oha leaf. To be honest, you need to, in fact, I know you are getting the aroma from wherever you are watching from. You know what? This soup takes less than 5 minutes. In fact, less than 15 minutes. Let me not exaggerate. Less than 15 minutes to prepare. And coming out so delicious with your chicken money. Just check out now. Check out. In fact, let me thank all my returning subscribers. This soup is for you. And you that have not subscribed to my channel up to this moment, how about wetin I do you? I will make I bring this soup come your front door. In fact, I'm coming, okay? To everyone contemplate whether to subscribe or not, please subscribe. This one is for you, okay? And to you that always like, comment and share my videos, this soup is for you. This particular one is for you. Yes, take it, I give it to you. And this particular soup is coming to everyone that is seeing this video till this moment. Take it. Thank you. Love you all.